Welcome to the world of playful pachyderms with our elephant seesaw. In this step-by-step assembly guide, we'll walk you through the simple and enjoyable process of putting together this delightful product. With easily identifiable parts in vibrant colors, assembling the elephant seesaw is a breeze. Each component is designed with precision and care, ensuring a seamless construction that guarantees a safe and exciting playtime experience for your little ones. Our elephant seesaw comes with precise measurements, making it hassle-free to set up in your backyard or play area. Join us as we showcase the magic of assembling this fantastic product, designed to bring joy and laughter to children of all ages. Get ready for a wild ride on the elephant seesaw, where fun and imagination collide. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with fellow parents and guardians looking for the perfect addition to their children's play area.